Brother Brandon, how you doing, man?
Hey, I'm doing pretty good. What's going on, man? How everything going?
Pretty good, man. Pretty good in ATL. Feeling really good today, man. About 80. We had about 85 today. So
Uh-oh.
we had some good weather, man. Pretty good weather.
Okay. The weather ain't too, man. It's hot down here, man. Blazing.
Really?
Oh man.
but
Boy. Then I get caught outside.
are you close to the beach or what?
No, I'm right in the middle of Florida, man. Between Orlando and Tampa.
Mm.
hmm
Do y'all catch any wind? Oh, well, you don't catch any wind or nothing.
not really, not too much.
Wow.
hmm
So, man, how do you feel, man? $11,000 rich.
I feel great, man. I feel good, man. I feel like I'm floating, man.
Hey,
I'm moonwalking.
did you think it'd happen?
I was starting to doubt it.
Yeah.
I was starting to doubt it, man. And it had some hiccups along the way. And then I was getting discouraged. But then, like, you know how you always say, maintain that belief, man. And yeah, it was kind of faith, man. It was all faith. I kind of stopped like having expectations and just like, man, if it's God's will, it's gonna happen.
Got it, Pop. So what made you want to get in real estate?
Uh, hmm. I looked at all the things that I knew about. Well, I thought about what type of life I was trying to live, and I was working. I had been working, got out of college, started working, and the whole check to check, and trying to save, trying to grow that way. And I realized quickly, hey, this not going to get me where I'm trying to go. And if it is, it's gonna take years to get to it.
Forever, man.
Absolutely. And
And
so,
that's the part they don't tell you in school.
no, they don't tell you that. And my dad had a rental, and I remember him getting like a check in the mail. Like every month he would get a check in the mail.
Whoa, yeah, you see that cash flow, baby.
Yeah. And that's kind of gave me the bug, or just exposed me to the opportunity. And start looking around, researching like how much money will I need to get into research into real estate. And then that's when I found out about wholesaling, that you didn't need money to get into real estate.
No freaking money, man. And that's
Absolutely.
crazy, man. Because when I first started, I couldn't believe it, man. Really, but when I went to the seminar, he was closing people out on the stage. So I was like, okay. But when I finally got that check, hey, it was a reality. It became a reality for real, man. I spent $300 and made 15,000. So it was like mind-boggling. What
Oh,
you invested in the deal you got?
uh,
Marketing. Did you market for the deal that you just closed on?
this one, no, I drove for dollars. I drove. I put time in. I
Wow.
drove for dollars, and
Tank of gas.
tank of gas, man.
How much time would you say you had to this whole deal?
Maybe 8 hours between contacting them and just following up, because this guy had to just, I followed up with him for about 4 or 5 months until he was finally ready to make a move.
So how critical is that follow-up?
Man, it's everything. It's everything. I can't imagine most people not gonna say, "Hey, yes, I'll sell you my house" on the first conversation. It's most people biggest purchase of their whole life. So it might take a few conversations for them to finally be like, okay, and get their mindset to where they're ready to go through the whole process of getting rid of this property. And that's kind of what was going on with this guy.
Yeah. I
Mm-hmm.
can tell. He was an older gentleman too, so they moved
Mm-hmm.
a little slower. Then you have to communicate with him through the mail. How did you get the contract to him?
I did. We had to mail it to him. We had to mail it.
Man, that's why I tell people everybody communication is different. some people get frustrated because they don't get a person on the phone, or they can't get them by text message or mail, or it's everybody communication method is different. So you just
Absolutely.
can't get hung up on it.
Mm-hmm.
Man, so you got no time. Well, you got 8 hours in the deal. I'm sorry. No money, get a tank of gas. Shit. What? How much it costs to fill up? $40.
$40.
Come on, man.
$40.
So you take 8 hours, take that 11,000, divide into 8, and that means you made $1,375 an hour, more than an attorney,
That feel good.
more than a damn attorney.
Oh yeah, man. It's I don't think it's hit yet. I don't really think it's hit yet, man. I'm still kind of like,
You
you
still,
know, it ain't hit yet.
man. Hey, man, congratulations, man, for
Man,
real.
I appreciate it, man. No, thank you. I appreciate it for real. Cause it was plenty times where I'm like, man, Eddie, this ain't working, brother. Like, keep going, don't stop.
Man, so how would you say the motivation was? Like, some people think when you coaching that you don't ever hear from the coach. I'm not like that. I'm hands on. I want to know what's going on. I want you to succeed. I want you to push and keep going, man.
Man,
And then what's your take on it?
I'm gonna be honest, man. It was sometimes I kind of got ghost on you.
Yeah.
I was like, man, I don't believe this is gonna work. And Eddie would be like, where you at, Brandon? Where you at? Come on now, where you at? So that's what I needed, because before you got in the deal, it's gonna be times where you doubting yourself, or it's not even real yet. It's not part of your reality. You don't
Right.
getting a large check like that at one time. Those in the world I was living in, that didn't happen. But
Right.
they have you there constantly like, hey, it'll happen. You just gotta believe it. You gotta keep working. You gotta believe it. You gotta keep working. And it's kind of like he was pushing me through that finish line when I ain't have the strength to go through it myself. So that coaching is absolutely worth it, man. Absolutely worth it.
Man.
I appreciate it, man. Absolutely.
Gotta see everybody succeed, man.
Mm-hmm.
So we all need a push, man. It may be different areas. Like some people may need a push in fitness. Some people may need a push to eat right. We all need help, man. Especially with anything new, man. There's always gonna be a little doubt in the back of your head. And then don't have any haters or some of your old friends or something like that. I
Boy.
remember when I started, man, I told my uncle, he swear, boy, he swear he don't remember. But I remember. That joke was like, man, you going to a what? I said, I'm going to a real estate seminar. What you know about real estate, man? You wasting your time.
Boy.
Now, he can't say that. Now he paint houses and stuff for me, but he don't remember.
Yeah,
Come on, man. But he gave me that extra push because I was like, okay, I'm going to show him. I'm going to show his butt when I get back. And sometimes that's what we got to do. Use them people, man. Use them haters as our motivator to give us that strength, man, to keep moving forward, man.
Absolutely. That's it, man. That's it, man. That was big.
So you got 8 hours in the deal. The guy mailed a contract to you. Now you had a little sticker with the close. How long did it take you to actually close once y'all got on the contract?
It took about 30 days to close. We were supposed to close sooner, and we had the buyer. They, I never worked with them before. They never worked with me, so they were being extra, doing
Extra
that due diligence.
cost.
Exactly. And so that's kind of what took the closing as long as it did, because I guess they wanted some additional things, in addition to the regular title search. And
What kind of search that was they did? I never even heard of that, man.
they wanted a municipal lien search.
Yeah, they went deep.
Yeah. And I guess that's like to make sure there's no outstanding utility bills.
Yeah.
And it's new to me, so whatever they need, I guess we're gonna try to accommodate them and get it done. And it got done.
Man, thank God, man.
Absolutely.
So now we got to invest. Hey, you can put 50% at the back in the business, man. That thing will be paying off. You're gonna be out of that job, man. I guarantee you in about 2 to 3 more months.
Oh man,
He's throwing them the deuces.
that's the goal, man. That's the first goal. That's the first goal. And
And then
it's
then you can run around, play with your kids all you want to. Hey, make your
mhm.
own schedule up, wake up when you want to.
Oh yeah.
Man, the freedom. I love the money about this business, but the freedom, man, is priceless, man.
Priceless. I know it is,
Priceless.
man. I know it is.
You can go out of town, just say on spring break. Like I move my business with me. All I need is the phone, my iPad. Hey man, wherever I go, I can work. I don't have to be nowhere clocking in and nothing like that. Hey, I'm just like this. What's going on? So
Wow.
man, that shit is beautiful, man.
Man, that's what I need that. I need that ASAP.
Couple more months, man.
Mm-hmm.
Well, thank you, Brandon, man. How much did you make, man?
I made $11,744. I know the exact amount, man. It's printed in my brain.
Hey, boy, that's how it is, man. Woo, man. Hey, man. I took a picture with my money, man. It's on my IG page. Look on there. I took a picture with the money, man. I had to say it.
Uh-huh.
The banks don't really keep money like that anymore, so it's probably hard now to cash a $10,000, $20,000 check getting in cash, man. They
Mm-hmm.
don't have to, they want a deposit, but they don't really use cash no more.
Wow. Yeah, man. I gotta get a pic. I took a picture of it, but I'm gonna get a picture with it too.
Yes, man.
You know?
You gotta feel
Definitely.
it. You gotta feel it.
Man, big man. I appreciate it, man. Definitely. Definitely.
No doubt, man. Thank you, Brandon. Thank you a lot, man, for this testimony. Hey, man, we real people doing real deals. You're gonna see Brandon back on here in a couple of months after he done left his job. We got
Yes,
that
sir.
brand new race. Got that cash
Ooh.
paying.
Ooh.
Man, it's over with.
It's over with, man. I appreciate it, Eddie, man. Definitely.
No doubt.